Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a waist bag in Avatar world. So if you want to complete your street style or traveler aesthetic, the waist bag is one of the most popular accessories in Avatar world. And in here, I'm going to show you the secret locations to get it for free. So first you can just go to this maps right here and then go to this area like near the airport. You can just click it. Okay, so once you're in the area, you can just walk your avatar until you find this girls right here. As you guys can see, she wears a waist bags, and also there are other persons in here. Let's see, you can just walk again. Okay, this is another one, so you can just choose which one you want and just grab it. Let me just click it, and then here find, okay, this one. Okay, so after he put it down, you can just grab it and put it on your avatar like this. So that's pretty easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.